Hello, I'm Dwayne. I've already done my breathing exercise and drank my lemon water. To see how I do my lemon water, you can check my previous video. So today we're using eye bright, herb, and mullein. So these are the teas we're using today. I've already got my water on already, spring water. So all it is, I just do 1 tablespoon of each. 1 tablespoon of each tea, each herb. That's all you really need. On of that. Get some mullein in there. And leave that. And you leave that to simmer. Don't let it boil too much. It's just to simmer. Leave that. That's that. And then for today lunch, what we're doing today, so today we're having for our breakfast we're having multi-nut smoothie today. So we got some walnut. Like I said, I don't really measure things out. I just go by eye. So walnut, it's just a handful. Like I said, I don't measure it. It's by eye. Handful of walnut. We do some oats. I like, again, only a little bit. It's up to you. I'll just do a little bit. And that's that. So we got some hazelnut. Like I said, a handful. That'll be enough. Hazelnut. Then we have some pumpkin seeds. Some pumpkin seeds. By eye again. That's it. We have some hemp seed. Hemp seeds, you know. This one we have about a tablespoon hemp seed. That's enough. And we have some flax seed. I'll do about 4 tablespoons. About 3. Do 3 tablespoons. That's enough. So the nuts I have in there. Okay, so we have some maca powder. 1 tablespoon will do. And then I have some coconut sugar. Let's sweeten this a little bit. It's about 2 tablespoons. And like I said, you do it by eye or by how you taste it. And that's that. And then I'll put some dates, some medjool dates. I have a couple of them in there. These are the ones with the seeds. I only do 1 seeds. If you don't have seeds, I don't want it. You know, do a couple of them. I do about 4. About 4. I should do it. Only be a bit of sweetness. That's all you need. And that should do it. I have some ginger as well. Organic ginger. Probably a thumb ginger. It's not much. That's it. You know, you have to have ginger in it. Just give it a bit of wash. You can peel it if you want. Sometimes I peel it, sometimes I don't. Just wash it clean. And let's chop it up. That's that. So that's it. Once you do it, once you blend it up, you taste it. You know, you can add more sweetness to it if you want. Once I do that, sometimes I add a bit of agave to it. just to have a bit more sweetness if you want. And then that's it. We do that. Then we put some spring water in it and then we blend. Yeah, smoothie blend up already. That's it there. Nice and thick. That's breakfast. Okay, so today's lunch we're having pancakes. So flour use spelt. We got white spelt flour here. So got some. Like I always say, I don't measure stuff. I just go by eye. So I had some leftovers. So that's that. Got a bit more in there. Like I said, there's a family of 4, so I'm not just doing it for myself. So I'll do some more. So do about that much, because my 2 children, they will eat this all day, every day. So I make enough for them. So we have flour, we have a bit of some coconut sugar, give it a bit of sweetness. Again, as you know, I love my sweetness. Again, don't measure, because I do it all the time. I know exactly how much, roughly how much to put in. We do some baking soda, because I don't do, the yeast and stuff. I do this to make it fluff up. So that, bit some salt, pinch of salt, that's it. And a bit more, make it a bit more tasty again. I put some cinnamon powder. That's a bit of dab of that, and that's that. We just get all that mixed up together before I do the water. Get all that in there. I mean, sometimes I do different flavors. It's all just up to you. Sometimes today I do cinnamon flavor. Next time I put a bit of ginger, like, grounded up ginger, so you get that ginger taste. All the time I do different. Sometimes I do chocolate flavor, different. So again, to get it nice and fluffy, I use sparkling spring water. Just get that in there. So this will make it nice and fluffy. So I just whisk as we go along. Some more water in there. We just whisk that along. It's coming on nicely. Put some more water up in there. Again, it's I don't measure it, so you go by eye again. So you don't make it too thick, too watery. Just enough. Have that consistency, just nice and. So get that nice. Get all the bubbles out. Make it nice and smooth. Get a bit more water in. Okay, that's a good consistency, yeah. Mix that out. Yeah, that's a good consistent. Yeah, consistency there. That's good. So it's not too thick. It's just right. You know, just right. That's it. You don't want it too thick. You get it too thick, it's gonna be very hard. You don't want that. You need to be very light. Light. We're not making a cake here, remember? Well, it is pancake, but you know. So that's a, yeah, that's decent there. All the fluff is out. All the bubbles are out. And that's it. Okay, pancake mixture is ready. This is the oil I use, grapeseed oil. Got some here already, and I just, you know, grease the pan. Not too much, just a little. That's it. Just to grease it out because it's pancake. You don't need to fry it. You just. All right, so we're ready to go. Pan is ready. It's just 1 spoon. Let that go in there. It don't take long, couple of minutes and we're done. And that's it really. We just do that. Do one. So that's go in there. It don't take long to flip. All the bubbles bubbling out, so let's flip this now. That's the other side, nice and brown, you know. See, it's nice and fluffy. Grease on this side. That's it, couple minutes and that's it, we're done. So I just grease this side just to keep it moist. So we flip it again and then we grease the other side. It don't take that long to do, so just keep it moist and just grease it. Just only a little bit. And that's it. But yeah, dinner time now. Today we're gonna be using chickpeas. So I've got chickpea already bubbling already. These are the spices that I use in the chickpeas. So I've got oregano, parsley, basil, cayenne pepper, a bit of turmeric, sea salt, and we've got some gram masala, mixed spice, and we got some coconut oil. And with the chickpea, I'm gonna mix some other vegetable. Like we have butternut squash, close cut mushroom. We got some red pepper, some orange pepper. We got some red onion, zucchini, some garlic. We got spring onion. We got celery, some cherry tomato, and we have some fine beans. So that's what I'll mix in with my chickpea, and then from that I'll do my normal salad. As you know, my previous video how I'll do my salad, and that's what we'll have for dinner. Dinner is ready. This is it. It's ready to go, and that's the salad ready to go with it. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.